Welcome. In this video, we're going to discuss how to disable the translate icon on Google Chrome for PC, especially after the latest update. If you find the translation feature more of a distraction than a help, follow these simple steps to turn it off. First, open your Chrome browser. This is the starting point for making any changes to your settings. Once you have Chrome open, look at the top right corner of your browser window. Next, click on the three dots. This icon is often referred to as the More menu. It's where you'll find various options to customize your browsing experience. Once you click on those three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust different features of your browser. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the Appearance section on the left-hand side. Click on it to access options related to how Chrome looks and functions. In the Appearance settings, find and click on Customize your toolbar. This section allows you to manage what icons appear in your toolbar, including the translate icon. Finally, disable the translate option. You'll see a toggle or checkbox next to the translate feature. Simply turn it off. This will remove the translate icon from your toolbar and stop any pop-ups asking if you want to translate pages. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the translate icon on Google Chrome. If you ever want to enable it again, just follow these steps in reverse. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. See you in the next video.